a video. Wait here. Wait. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. What's up guys? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna show you. Oh my god, I just showed the cars. Okay, it's okay. You can see them because I'm gonna like not show them until like reveal it. So you know there was a if you guys know Southwest Florida, you must know that there was a recent update, and you can see the interior for some cars only, and yeah, it's 2019 Lamborghini Huracan Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider, guys. And next to me is a Quadricorsa. It's a Lamborghini Gallardo Quadricorsa. You know, it actually should be the yellow color, but yeah, my brother put it this color anyway. So today it's literally so cool about the Huracan. Like you could actually see this, guys. You can see that the roof is, I mean what do you call it? Yeah, it's a spider, so you could actually ton ton ton. It's so cool, like that just coming, going in. Please stop racing, man. I'm talking here. So it goes off. You can lower the windows, the interior. Okay, let me just show you the interior of this thing. Not bad, but not as good though. There's actually... Wait, what just happened? What? Oh, I got scared. What happened? Wait, why is it working now? Okay, this sucks because it used to work and now it doesn't. Okay, there we go. So this is the interior on this thing. Okay, that's it. Anyway, it doesn't have that good interior, not gonna lie. So this is the car. So yeah. So I need to go buy another car. So let's go. I don't know. I actually have to ask you guys for this thing because I don't know which one to choose. Oh, this car is so annoying. It just like doesn't stop rolling. Mm. Oh, it gets struck every time. Okay. Are you kidding me? So I also have a bad. Oh my gosh! What the heck? Let me just. Oh shit! also forgot to mention that I sold the 4 GT to buy this thing. I didn't have enough money, so oh, this is so annoying. Oh, not again, please, bro. Come on.
333 North Atlantic, 333 North Atlantic, 11.
This car is so annoying that I don't really want to drive it. Like, oh, this car. Oh my gosh. Sounds good. Not bad, but it should definitely sound better. Okay, this is. Let me actually put it inside because. Yeah. It's not moving inside, so it's better to keep it inside, you know? What? It's moving! Okay. I guess it's not safe inside either. It's so annoying, this car. Are you kidding me? Okay. I guess other car I'm buying should also be like this. Yeah. Oh, they're so annoying. I think I want another car like this, really? Bro. I don't know, like, they're so annoying. You can't just drive them normally. I don't know why. Good. Ah! Ah! Okay, I can't see anything in the front. By mistake, I was gonna jump out, but my luck. Oh! 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 By the way, this drifts so much. Oh, shit. This drifts so much. I wish police. I just wish police won't catch police because I'm gonna get caught that I'm speeding. Okay, let me just. Yeah, I'm gonna get caught that I'm speeding. That'll be bad. That won't be good. Okay. I'm literally getting. Oh, okay. Okay, someone hit me. I know that. Someone hit me. That's why it got glitched. Because I know why it gets glitched. Okay. I hate this car. By the way, I love this car, not I hate it. But at the same time, I do hate it. Like, bro, come on. Not again. Really? Come on, get out here. Come on, Evo. Come on. You can get out. Oh. I think I'm never gonna drive this car again. Oh, great. It took 8 minutes just for like driving it to the dealership. Are you kidding me?
I don't see an alarm on my screen. Can you guys?
Oh. I hate it, bro. Literally, it took 8 and 9 minutes to come, bro. Literally, what the? I hate it. Okay, why? What is my brother in here? I don't know, but I don't care. So, I don't know what happened to the limited edition cars. I couldn't find them. Mm, yeah, I could have bought one, but yeah, I couldn't find them at the same time. Come on, don't be laggy. Don't be laggy with your father. Come on. Come on. Finally. Are you coming or should I go out of here? Come on. Literally. Okay, fine. So we have got the 2011 Lamborghini Gallardo Super Leggera. That's actually not Super Leggera. That's Squadra Corsa, but they put it as well. 2010 Alpha 8C competition. It's competition, but they put it as competition something. 2020 Lamborghini. That's Lamborghini, bruh. Lamborghini Huracan Evo. Obviously coupe. 2003 Lamborghini Murcielago Roadster. 2018 Lamborghini Huracan Performante. 2010 Lamborghini Murcielago S3. So I think I'm gonna buy that car. I'm not sure. 2010 Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider. And last but not least, the 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo. So it was these two cars, like 2018 Lamborghini Huracan Performante and 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo, are actually already in the game before. I think the performance got upgraded. So yeah. And the verse, like classic, there should be limited edition for sure. Okay, there is. But where is the Lamborghini? When no Reventon, bro, I couldn't find it. Like I couldn't find it. Literally couldn't find it. Wait, how many new cars came in? So, by the way, I forgot. Today is Paul Walker's birthday. My favorite actor who died in 19th September 12th, who died who who died in 2013, November 13th. So R.I.P. R.I.P. Paul Walker, September 12th, 1973 to November 13th, 2013. You're still in our hearts. You are still in our hearts. So anyway, should I buy this limited edition Porsche? I don't know. Like, I just don't know. But yeah, I think tomorrow's video I might buy the 2000 2000s Nissan GT Nissan Skyline R34 GTR. But I also want to test drive what this is. I just don't get it. What is it? What is that? 1987 D Tomato? What? D Tomato? D Tomato Panteria GT5S. What? D Tomato? What does that mean? Okay, I just don't know, but yeah. I guess today's video is effectively over. Just like that, today's class is over. And you guys told me that should I let's get 30 likes if you want me to buy the Murcielago. Otherwise give me 10 likes if you want me to buy the Lamborghini Murcielago Roadster. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.